Hi everybody, it's Petty here. Let's talk about courses and in general board information, mentorship, whatever you name it. Because I think there's a big misunderstanding out there, especially in the e-commerce niche. Now, I haven't been on YouTube for the past 3 days. Last week we did post Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, but we didn't post Saturday, Sunday, and Monday yesterday. I've been sick. I've been really, really sick. And my girlfriend has been sick as well. I'm getting back my energy, so I'm super excited about that. But right now, first and foremost, let's get you out of the oven. So, first and foremost, before I'm gonna start this video, please do like, comment, share, whatever you want to, but most importantly, if you want to subscribe, that will mean the world to me. We are soon at 100 subscribers, which is a lot for me, it's crazy. So yeah, if you will do that, that will mean the world to me. And also, right down below, the very first link in the description, that's a link to my mentorship and course. And that is a part of the reason why I want to talk to you in this video. So, as you know, there's a lot of gurus, there's a lot of successful guys in the dropshipping niche and just in e-commerce in general. And a ton of these guys, not even a ton, but there's a lot of courses out there. And courses is simply you pay for knowledge that you would normally do month and month of research to get to, right? So here's the deal. Here's why I want to make this video. I get tons of DMs, and just in general, this is just a general steam out there. If you go read up upon YouTube comments or whatnot, is that I don't want to buy somebody's course and get scammed, and there's a lot of scammers out there. Now there are more true guys, hopefully, but I know there's a lot of scammers. I deal with them a lot, not the specific scammers, but I deal with the guys who've been scammed. That's sad. It's really, really sad. But when you are a person who's ready to invest, right? Ready to invest in a course, something like that, mentorship, you have to do your due diligence. Is this person good? Is this not good? Can you actually see real results? If you look upon all those guys who are so prejudiced about courses, if you can say that, mentorship, paid knowledge, a lot of them haven't really done anything spectacular within the business they're in. And it comes down to this thing, I believe, where people are getting nasty, people are getting, I don't know if you can say jealous of some sort for people who have a course because they have accomplished something. And, oh, this is course manuscript. Like, why is there anything wrong with the course? I don't get it. A course is just as if you devoted your entire life in school, and you can devote some money in a course that's going to help you even more to do it, because it's actually about business. A course is simply just kind of like classes, as if you were going to school. It's so much cheaper. And a course is going to take you, literally, it's going to take you from where you are now to here. It just is in what, a couple hours of watching, instead of spending 4 months to get here. So the notion that you shouldn't buy courses, shouldn't do this and that, there's enough information out there, it's not fake, but it's not the best one. My suggestion would be, in the beginning, do all the research you can do yourself. I did that myself. The first 4 months, I did nothing but research. I had one goal in mind: to be the guy who knew most about dropshipping ever on the planet Earth. So when I did start, I didn't fail. I made money right away. Now, what I will say is that at that time, I didn't have the money for a course. But if I had, or if I found somebody with a cheaper course, I would have taken that from day one. Because I was still going to do my research, but if I've taken that course, I could have saved months of my research and stress and make money earlier and things happening in my life. Because a course is just going to tell you things that you will learn down the line, and a lot of those things you will learn by wasting money, right? A course is a fucking great thing. It just is. Somebody have a skill that is greater and bigger than, let's say, another guy who's some steps behind, then this guy is going to make a course that's going to be filled with videos and material that's going to, when that's provided to the guy below him, that's going to propel this guy upwards, because he didn't know these things, because this guy has some skills that he didn't do, that he have been developed with himself by his own by his own money, by his own time. So this guy here is going to be the smart one. He saves time by investing in this guy and getting all the knowledge he's gotten out of him, right? So instead of guys being mad or this and that on guys who have course, instead you should be grateful, because the guy who actually have a legit course, let's say my course for example, I've spent so much time, so much testing in terms of money, Facebook ads, and you name it, on learning and developing these skills, right? And now I get a payment, a small fee. In my regards, is a small fee. It's only $75 for somebody else to get to know my skills, and they save a ton of money and a ton of time. Like, it's a win-win, but I would actually say it's more win for the guy who is buying the course. And at some point, he's going to get to a place where he's going to make his dream come to a reality, be living off his business, right? At some point, he's going to have some skills that some guys don't have, and he can make a course. It's nothing bad in a course, it's a different business model which you can have whenever you got some skills somebody else doesn't have. So I think that's going to be my 2 cents for this video. I only got one bite of this banana. If you want to look and see what my course can offer, what my mentorship can offer, because I mainly do mentorships, click the first link below. The price is $75 for a month of work, and that is nothing for a full mentorship and a course. You can also just buy the course, and you can buy 3 months. It doesn't really matter. Just go down there, look through it. If it's interesting, enroll. That would be amazing. DM me or whatever. If not, just make sure you subscribe to this channel. That will mean the world to me. And for the future, a course is not bad. If it's a legit course, it's only good, because it's going to help you to get where you actually want way quicker. I think that's all for this video, guys. As always, subscribe to this channel, like, comment, share, do whatever you want to. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.